Stop saying very all the time. Learn smarter and stronger English words instead. Instead of saying very cold, say freezing. It sounds more natural and expressive. Don't say very hot. A better word is boiling. Replace very tired with exhausted. This is what native speakers usually say. Instead of very hungry, try starving. It's shorter and sounds more natural. Don't say very happy. Say thrilled when you feel extremely happy. When you feel very sad, a stronger word is heartbroken. It expresses deeper emotion. Instead of very angry, use furious. This word is powerful and advanced. Don't say very surprised. Say shocked to sound more natural. Replace very big with huge. It's a simple improvement to your vocabulary. Instead of very important, say crucial. It sounds more professional. Don't say very good. Use excellent when something is really good. Instead of very bad, say terrible. It's a stronger and more natural choice. Stop using very with every adjective. Use stronger words like freezing, exhausted, thrilled, furious, huge, crucial, excellent, terrible. If you want to improve your English every day, subscribe to this channel. You'll learn simple and powerful upgrades like this. Keep learning with me. Watch the next video on the screen now.